We'll guide you through how to make text scroller in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create scrolling text in Figma, begin by locating the Figma application icon directly on your computer screen and launching it with a quick double-click. Once the application opens, open up the specific project file you want to work on from your dashboard. After your file loads, look down at the bottom center of your screen to find the main floating toolbar and click the Text tool, which is represented by the letter T. Click anywhere on your empty canvas and type out a long sentence or series of words that you want to scroll across the screen. Next, move over to the right-hand Properties panel and locate the section labeled Typography so you can adjust the font size and weight to make the text look cleaner and easier to read. After that, return to the bottom toolbar and click the Frame tool, or simply press the F key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click and drag on your canvas to create a rectangular frame box that will act as the viewing window for your scrolling text. Grab your text layer and drag it directly inside the new frame so it becomes a nested child layer within the box. Resize the frame boundaries so they cut off part of the text layer, causing the extra words to extend outside the frame border. Click once on the frame layer, then move over to the right-hand Properties panel and enable the option labeled Clip Content so the hidden text disappears from view. With the frame still selected, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Prototype tab to switch workspaces. Locate the setting labeled Overflow and change the drop-down option from No Scrolling to Horizontal. Next, select the long text layer inside the frame and drag it slightly to the right so it begins exactly at the edge of the viewing window. Finally, click the Play Preview icon at the top right of the screen to open the presentation window. Click and hold your mouse on the text and drag left or right to watch the words smoothly scroll across the screen. Before finishing, glance at the top of the screen to confirm your file is fully synced. Then press Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to safely save your progress.